अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप समूह के स्वास्थ्य इतिहास में आज का दिन बेहद खास रहा, जहां भविष्य की स्वास्थ्य प्रहरी सेवा की प्रतिमाएं यानी प्रशिक्षु नर्सें अपने नए सफर की ओर कदम बढ़ा रही थीं। टैगोर सभागार रोशनी से जगमगाता, भावनाओं से भरा और गर्व से दमकता हुआ। मंच सजा था एएनएम ट्रेनिंग स्कूल के 14वें दीक्षांत समारोह के लिए। अंडमान निकोबार का एकमात्र एएनएम ट्रेनिंग स्कूल का गौरवपूर्ण क्षण। मेहमानों का पारंपरिक स्वागत हुआ और शैक्षणिक जुलूस के बीच सभागार गूंज उठा सम्मान और गर्व की भावना से। मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में स्वास्थ्य सचिव सुश्री ऋचा और सम्मानित अतिथि स्वास्थ्य सेवा निदेशक डॉक्टर सुजा एंटनी समारोह में उपस्थित रहीं। इस अवसर पर जीबी पंत अस्पताल के मेडिकल सुपरिंटेंडेंट डॉक्टर साहा, उपनिदेशक स्वास्थ्य डॉक्टर अभिजीत रॉय, डॉक्टर सिद्धाराजू, डॉक्टर कल्याण एवं एएनएम स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल बिन्सी वी कुरुविला और विद्यालय परिवार भी उपस्थित था। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ शुभारंभ हुआ इस यादगार कार्यक्रम का। छात्राओं के मधुर स्वागत गीत ने पूरे सभागार में उल्लास भर दिया।
quality of attention she gives to all the staffs, to the work, is really highly appreciable, ma'am. So I welcome you again, ma'am. I welcome all the program officers, the faculty of A&M Training School, the faculty of nursing schools, the parents, the members of the Board of Studies, Dr. M.K. Shah, MS, Jeevan Hospital, other program officers of the health department, the students, and of course, our beloved parents. Now, this is an occasion where we always have got cherished good memories in the future rather. Today we have memories of this, we undertake some activities of graduation day, and tomorrow that becomes a history, or cherish the memories, what we did, what we didn't do. I think past more than a month you have trying to have this program, Ms. Vinci Kurbilla running with the files, getting the approval, her team with the students preparing each and every sort of things to make this program a great success. Let this occasion be not only a celebration of achievements, but also a reminder of the values and spirit that define the nursing professions and the selfless service and commitment of the nursing professions towards the community. Once again, on behalf of Training School, Shri Vijayapuram DHS, I extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, faculty, parents, students, and others. Thank you all and all.
प्रिंसिपल बिन्सी विकुरुविला ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में बताया कि कैसे ये संस्थान वर्षों से सेवा, समर्पण और संवेदना का प्रतीक बन चुका है.
Strength and growth comes only through continuous efforts and struggle. Well, it gives me immense pleasure, as well as with gratitude, I would like to present a small brief introduction about the A&M Training School, as well as A&M course and the achievements of this 2023-25 batch of A&M students. I would like to mention that I have taken the charge as an additional charge of principal A&M Training School for the less than 1.5 years before, that is in August 2024, after the retirement of Mimi Madam, the regular tutor over principal of A&M Training School. After that, we have been, it's a long way. I would say, first of all, the primus thing was the A&M Training School was functioning in the Directorate of Health Services. In 1963 it was started, and in the present OPD complex where it is, there was the A&M Training School. Then it was moved in 1983 to the office behind the Directorate of Health Services, which is presently occupied by the NM's Microbiology Department. And then it again shifted in 2017 to the Fisheries Training School, and once during the COVID time we were there itself, and once they were requesting us to vacate that, again it went to Forest Corporation building, presently in One Vikas Bhavan from 2023, and it's a hard, long struggle jumping from one area to another. As we were jumping, we didn't realize that INC, the Indian Nursing Council, and the Tamil Nadu Nurses and Midwives Council, they have certain protocols to give recognition to the A&M Training School, and they have to survey and do the inspection tour of the A&M school. So we had the first thing when I took charge was to find out and how to get the thing registered, again re-recognized with the INC. We had the talk with the INC, personally went to INC, and they came for inspection. We had back-to-back inspection in 2025, that is in the month of January. We had the Tamil Nadu Nursing Council inspection, followed by in the month of March, Indian Nursing Council inspection. Although there are many minor defects and lacunae are there because of space and manpower, but still we were able to get the recognitions done. And number two, one more important thing I would like to, before going into the report, that is BOE, Board of Examination. This is a unique thing which we are getting, and we are privileged to have it in, under the Tamil Nadu Nurses and Midwives Council, that we can conduct the exams here itself under the Andaman Nicobar Board of Examination for A&M, and the results will be sent there, and the diploma will be awarded by the Board of Examination. And the Board of Examination, the chairperson is our Secretary Health, ma'am, and the Vice Chairman is the Director of Health Services, and we have other, apart from that, 8 members. Totally, we have total 9 members in the Board of Examination. and it was during the Anil Agarwal sir's time, Secretary Health, that on February 20th, we had a meeting of Board of Examination, and many things, the bylaws were not clearly made. We made the bylaws then, and how the examination procedure should be taken up, how the examiner should be appointed, and many other things we have taken. And moreover, we have changed the admission process of A&M Training School. Earlier it was area-wise admission was done, to Nicobar, to Diglipur, like this. But in today's time, it was not relevant, as well as to make it par with the Andaman Nicobar administration's higher education institutions policy, we have changed it into like 10-year category, pre-42 category, that's the all higher education. And this year, 2025, the admissions were taken in that. 22 students were being given permission from the administration. Although we have 30 sanctioned from INC, but due to infrastructure and all the deficits, we are restricted. The administration has given us 22 admission posts, and students are admitted on this August 2025. The new batch is there of 22 students. And moreover, we have, our main thing is it is an alternate year batch. So every time the question occurs that why one batch finishes, then only 2 years we take that batch. So due to infrastructure problems, we are restricting, but INC is pressurizing us, as well as the TNMC, that we have to take it every year, because the 1 year, next year, the students who are appearing, they will be not able to get that opportunity. So I think in future we can do in that way. Then I won't take much time, just going into the brief note about this particular 2023-25 batch who is graduating, the convocation batch. The auxiliary nurse and midwife training is a 2-year course, and it is developed in India to train the health workers at grassroots level, especially after the Board Committee recommendation in 1951. And in 1963, the A&M training course was started in Andaman and Nicobar Islands under one tutor, that is C.D. Rajan. And then in 1983, again it was revised, and the course again is started with 1.5 years, and later on it has now 1.5 years of course as well as 6 months of internship. Total 2 years course it has been taken. Regarding the 14th batch, it started in August 2023, which is with 20 students. This batch who have now successfully completed the course under the guidance of our experienced faculty and clinical supervisors. Each student has demonstrated exemplary conduct, discipline and determination throughout the 2 years of training. Out of which 20 students, 17 have successfully cleared the final examination, as one of our students has dropped out due to personal reasons, and 2 of them are in the supplementary batch. The result of this particular convocation batch is 6 students have got distinction, 6 first division, 4 second division, and 1 in third division. The academic and clinical achievements, students actively participated in classes, classroom leading, skill demonstration and clinical posting. And for the rural area, they used to go to PHC Garacharna. Under that, they will also Patrapur, Tailorabad, Bimblitan and Naya Shahar area. And in urban, they used to go to health and wellness clinics centers of Dairy Farm, Janglikat, Hado and Dilanipur. They also rendered valuable services during health awareness camps, immunization programs and outreach clinics, showcasing their readiness to serve the society with compassion and competence. Our students enthusiastically took part in various health days observations, including World Health Day, International Nurses Day, World Breastfeeding Day, HIV/AIDS Day, etc. They also organized health exhibitions, healthy food exhibitions, street plays and awareness programs to the nearby communities to promote preventive health and hygiene practices. The faculty members have continued their efforts towards academic excellence and professional development. Staff have participated in trainings, CNE programs, and wellness and health clinics. And also, our last message to my students who are graduating and who will be taking the diplomas now. Dear students, today marks a new beginning in your life's journey. You are stepping into the real world that needs your care, your skill and compassion more than ever. As you receive your diploma today, remember that it is not just a profession. It is a calling to serve the humanity and do it to your very best. Before ending, I think words, more than words, a little glimpses, I would like to show a presentation, just a few slides about the A&M Training School. The glimpses of A&M Training School, the Sri Vijayapuram, from 1963 onwards. We managed to get us some photographs of 1963. That is, this is the first A&M Training School. I think many of the senior doctors may recognize. I am not recognizing it. This is the OPD complex, the present OPD complex with the wooden building. There was the A&M Training School in 1963, and many of the doctors are also, and the staffs as well as the training members are there. Then we see this is the lady, that is Mrs. C.D. Rajan Madam, the first tutor and principal. She single-handedly ran the show from 1963 to I think 1979. One more ma'am, I think Jacob ma'am was also there in this. After that, I think of course all of us recognize Frida Madam. She was the principal of A&M Training School, and she took over I think in 1989, that sort. I'm not that particular. Then Mrs. Frida George is taking the charge from C.D. Rajan Madam. Then this is the old, we can see the old wooden structure and the buildings which we used to have earlier. This was the school. Then this is the actual A&M Training School, which is now occupied by the ANIMS. And that is behind the microbiology lab, and this was the earmarked for the A&M, and many of the awardees, I think I will also fail to mention, I would fail to my duty if I don't mention that we have a Padma Shri from this particular institute. That is a big honor, the only nurse in India who has got Padma Shri from our institution, and more than 5 Florence Nightingale awardees also. Then this is the A&M hostel, which is located just near the Directorate of Health Services. It is a landmark one, and here presently the A&M students as well as the nursing students are staying there. And this was the Forest Fisheries Training Building where A&M school shifted in 2017, and there it was shifted, and everywhere the things were carried. And when I took, the problem was that I was not getting any records, because during the shifting and lifting, everything got messed up. Then again, this is the present structure of the A&M Training School, the Forest Corporation building in Hado. This is the Tamil Nadu Nursing Council members who visited us in the A&M Training School, and they have met the Director of Health Services, Suja ma'am, and Ajit sir was also there at that time, and they have met and given the details about after inspection. Then we have the INC team, the Indian Nursing Council team. They went and they also came in March, and they also inspected and have given the recognition. Then the various activities we have taken up there, that is the National Independence Day and Republic Day, as well as the street plays and all, it was conducted in both Garacharma as well as the GB Pand OPDs. Then the Students' Sports Nurses Day. Then the food demonstrations which we have done in different parts in UHCs as well as community rural areas. Then the World Yoga Day, which was performed, was done actively by all the members. The counseling, it was a challenge as we didn't have the space in our school. Only the second floor we had. So we had requested it in the girls' school auditorium. This 2025, the counseling was done, and almost we were able to accommodate, I think, 800 to 1,000 members there for the counseling session. Then we have actively participated, of course, in the AIDS Day marathon. Both the nursing school as well as the A&M Training School were there, the part of it. Then the picnics and all other regular activities, these students we tried our best. Although the manpower is very less, 3 of the staffs we have and myself, but still we try the best to give these students an opportunity to learn and also give them the extracurricular activities. This is the school classrooms, the demonstration room, the nutrition lab, the library, the community health center, the area, the lab, then the common area, then the aviates. Of course, we need a lot of aviates more, also the recent ones that we are trying to acquire. And the present batch who is graduating, we have them. So I wish everyone all the best, dear students, and also this August gathering to thankfully listening to me. Thank you, all of you.
और फिर आया वो पल जिसका इंतजार था हर आंख को। मुख्य अतिथियों ने स्नातक छात्राओं को प्रमाण पत्र और पुरस्कार प्रदान किए। उनके सपनों को पंख मिल गए और संस्थान ने पाया गर्व का नया अध्याय।
are in community health nursing, primary health care, child health nursing, and health center management. Congratulations, Abida. Congratulations, Nilima. Congratulations, Shilpa. Congratulations, Rupsa. Great work, Shushmita. Congratulations, Vidya. Please step forward to receive your certificate. Well done, Sushmita. Well done, Karima. Certificate. Excellent, Vishaka. Ms. Shivani Pereira. Well done, Shivani. Congratulations, Tamanna. Good job, Ritu. Miss Amlita Livingston, please. Well done, Amlita. Miss Sushmita Kumari. Congratulations, Sushmita. Congratulations to all. Her extraordinary dedication and selfless service to tribal community have inspired nurses across the nation. 1970-74 batch of Atif, awarded in 2012 for her devoted service and leadership in public health nursing. Thank you, madam. Congratulations, community service. I call upon Ms. Suniti Bishwas, A&M GB Pant Hospital, to collect her award. Chandrabala Bepari, please come forward to receive her award. The outstanding performance, hard work, dedication, not only in academics, but also the leadership, discipline, and all-over contribution to the institution. First, we have Academic Excellence Award, which honor a student who has shown consistent brilliance in studies, remarkable achievement, and commitment to learning. May I now request our Chief Guest, Ms. Richa Secretary, Health Chairman, Board of Examination, to present the Academic Excellence Award to Ms. V. Abida. Abida, please come over the dais to collect your... The Best Outgoing Student Award goes to Ms. Bipasha Roy, 2023-25 batch. Congratulations, Bipasha. Wish you all the best for your bright future ahead.
To share that journey and gratitude, may I now invite the voice of our outgoing 14th batch student representative to deliver the student address. Please welcome Bipasha Roy.
Today is not just a day, it is a day that marks both an ending and a new beginning. As we stand here holding our certificates and our dreams, I feel immense pride and gratitude on the behalf of all the 14th batch. When we first stepped into this institute, we were full of hope, curiosity, and a little nervousness. We came as students, but today we are standing here as a trained A&M, ready to serve, care, and heal. The journey was not always easy. There were sleepless nights before exams, long hours of clinical practices, and the moment where we doubt ourselves. But in every challenges, we found support from our teachers, mentors, friends, and everyone who had believed in ourselves. On the behalf of all my friends, I would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Srimati Binsi ma'am, for being a guiding force, and to all the tutors, Sonia ma'am, our class coordinator, Zaida ma'am, Kalavati ma'am, and Srinivasan sir. Thank you. Thank you for your constant support, guidance, and encouragement. You have not only taught us lessons from the book, but also the value of kindness, discipline, and service. Your patience, dedications, and encouragement had made a lasting impact on our life. We are truly grateful to our institute and Srimati Mimi ma'am. Thank you for giving a best environment to learn. The classrooms, hostels, and the best training faculties who have given a best clinical practices, helpful staffs, and safe campus to grow and to build. Our institute always motivates us to do our best and serve the community with the caring heart. I thanks to all the parents and teachers. Thank you for your sacrifices, love, and endless support. You are the reason we are standing here today. To all my batchmates, as we walk away with our certificate, let us remember the sacredness of our passion. Wherever we go, whether in hospitals, community, or villages, let us uphold the dignity of our passion and serve with the empathy, honesty, and dedication. Once again, on the behalf of all my batchmates, I thank everyone who had made this journey memorable and meaningful. Congratulations to all my A&M friends. May we continue to serve with compassion and pride.
To add color to the celebration of this event, our talented students have prepared a captivating group dance. Let's sit back and relish the rhythm and energy.
There is the
वहीं पूर्व प्रिंसिपल मिमी सिंघा रॉय ने पुरानी यादों को साझा कर माहौल को यादगार बना दिया।
14 बैच जो है उन लोग को हम लोग कॉन्वोकेशन अरेंज किए, तो मुझे लगा मैं तभी अंडमान पहुंच गई, क्योंकि मैं इतना खुश थी कि मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती। हाँ, इसका पीछे एक कारण है, क्योंकि मैं जब हैंडओवर ली प्रिंसिपल का, तब जो है मैं अकेली थी, सारा मेरे से सीनियर तो सारा ट्यूटर्स रिटायर हो गए। हाँ, तब मेल हेल्थ वर्क का ट्रेनिंग चल रहा था। मेल हेल्थ वर्क का ट्रेनिंग खत्म होते संग क्या किए, हम लोग का जो बिल्डिंग था फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट से लिया गया था, उन लोग अपना बिल्डिंग रिटर्न ले लिए। हाँ, हॉस्टल भी ऑक्युपाइड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्कूल ऑफ नर्सिंग, तो ना हॉस्टल ना ट्यूटर ना स्कूल बिल्डिंग। तो एनी हाउ बहुत मुश्किल से इधर उधर शिफ्ट करके फिर हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का हेड जो है उनका एफर्ट भी था, सपोर्ट भी था, कैसा भी एक बिल्डिंग मिला, फिर धीरे धीरे हॉस्टल मिला। एंड मेरा ये बोलने का मतलब है कि बच्चा लोग इतना तकलीफ किया कि हम नहीं बोल सकते। उन लोग लेबरर्स का काम किया, सफाई वाला का काम भी किया, कुक का काम भी किया, इवन तब उन लोग को बस भी नहीं था, अपना पैसा से आए। तो इतना तकलीफ एंड इतना जो है कोई बैच नहीं किए, पर इन लोग इतना कोऑपरेशन किए, इतना मेरे को सपोर्ट किए। इवन जो हम लोग सराउंडिंग्स में हम लोग क्लीन किए ना, हम लोग साथ मिल के, मैं भी हाथ लगाई तो इन लोग सोचा जब प्रिंसिपल हाथ लगाई तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं करना। मैं यही बोलती थी, नारी शक्ति कभी पीछे नहीं हटना। हाँ, ये लोग मेरे पीछे बोलते थे कि मैडम हम लोग को नारी शक्ति का स्लोगन लगा के सारा काम कर लेते। तो रियली इन लोग जो मेहनत किए उसका कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होता। तो एंड मैं जब हैंडओवर दे के गई बीसी मैडम का हाथ में, तो मुझे बहुत सेटिस्फेक्शन था कि मैं एक एक्सपर्ट हैंड का हाथ में स्कूल को छोड़ के जा रही है, क्योंकि स्कूल मेरा जान है। क्योंकि जब से हम नर्सिंग ट्यूटर में स्कूल में किया, रिटायर भी सेम पोस्ट में यही स्कूल से हुई, तो ये स्कूल अगर वो बंद हो जाता तो मुझे बहुत खराब लगता था। स्कूल जो आज रन कर रहे हैं इसके लिए हम बहुत आभारी हूँ, डिपार्टमेंट का भी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सबका हम बहुत आभारी हूँ। और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि एनएम ट्रेनिंग स्कूल चल रहा है। मैं दो बात खाली बताना चाहूँगी। आज जो हमारा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में इतना अच्छा नाम है, बार्थ रेट में कमी, डेथ रेट में कमी, मैटरनल डेथ जो है उसमें कमी है, देन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज रेट में जो कमी है, ये देखा जाए तो इम्यूनाइजेशन 100% है। देन मैटरनल जो चेकअप जो वो भी 100% होता है। हाँ, इम्यूनाइजेशन माँ का सब चीज़ के लिए मैं तो बोलूँगी इसका क्रेडिट गोज टू ऑल द हेल्थ वर्कर्स। चाहे मैं गलत बोलने से माफ़ी चाहती हूँ, एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू से, दैट इज इन लोग को जो एएनएम करके बोला जाता, दैट इज रॉन्ग डेजिग्नेशन। इन लोग का डेजिग्नेशन है मल्टीपर्पस हेल्थ वर्कर फीमेल, एंड मेल जो है मल्टीपर्पस हेल्थ वर्कर मेल। एंड स्कूल का नाम भी गलत है, इट शुड बी मल्टीपर्पस हेल्थ वर्कर्स ट्रेनिंग स्कूल। और अंडमान निकोबार में जो है इन लोग का जो है कब हमेशा डिमांड रहेगा, हाँ, जब तक ये आइलैंड्स है, क्योंकि स्कैटर आइलैंड है, इन लोग ने ऐसा सर्विस दिया क्योंकि जहाँ कोई डॉक्टर नहीं, कोई नहीं, वहाँ पर जाके ऐसा डिलीवरी कराए, ऐसा पेशेंट को इन लोग ठीक किए, तो कि तब हमें भी आश्चर्य लगता है कि डॉक्टर से भी मुश्किल हो जाता है, ऐसा टाइम भी हो, तो इन लोग को जो है गांव का डॉक्टर बोला जाता। एंड मैं ये आशा करूंगी कि एएनएम ट्रेनिंग स्कूल जब तक अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स है तब तक एएनएम ट्रेनिंग स्कूल भी रहना, हाँ। और मेरा जो स्टूडेंट्स है, मोस्टली सभी मेरा स्टूडेंट्स है, और जो स्टाफ्स है सबको भी मैं जानती हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होता है क्योंकि मैं कलकत्ता शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ, एंड मैडम शुजा ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया।
मुख्य अतिथि स्वास्थ्य सचिव सुश्री ऋचा ने अपने प्रेरणादायक संबोधन में कहा, नर्सिंग सिर्फ एक पेशा नहीं बल्कि ये मानवता की सबसे पवित्र सेवा है।
और मेरे लिए ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि मैं आपके इस कन्वोकेशन फंक्शन में आई हूँ, और आपने इस कन्वोकेशन फंक्शन को बहुत ही एनर्जी से, बहुत ही प्यार से और बहुत ही कमिटमेंट से ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, जो दिख रहा है। और ऐसे फंक्शन की एक फॉर्मल ट्यूनिंग तो होती ही है, इनफॉर्मली ये हमें इनर्जाइज करता है, हमें एनर्जी देता है, खास करके हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की उन फैमिली को, इनके अचीवमेंट के लिए जो इन्होंने अचीव किया है आज 2 साल के कमिटमेंट, 2 साल के मेहनत का एक जो नतीजा इनको मिला है, उनके लिए इनको बहुत बहुत बधाई। बहुत ही बधाई के पात्र हैं वो स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने एकेडमिकली बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, उनको वंस अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। इसके साथ ही साथ एकेडमिकली जो स्टूडेंट ने जैसा भी परफॉर्म किया है, सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं, क्योंकि एकेडमिक एक चीज़ होती है, उसके आगे की बात अलग तरीके से होती है। तो मैं एक तो आपकी ये एकेडमिकली परफॉर्मेंस और आपकी जो कॉलेज की, स्कूल की जो ट्रेनिंग है, उसका आज मतलब उसको हम एक फॉर्मली एंडिंग है उनकी, बट बिगिनिंग ऑफ द न्यू चैप्टर भी है। अभी तब आप जाएंगे जिस फील्ड में आपने ट्रेनिंग ली है, वो फील्ड जो है आप जैसा कि आप जानते हैं और जैसा आपको ट्रेन किया गया है, ये फील्ड बेसिकली कंपैशन, केयर और कमिटमेंट का है। इन शॉर्ट अगर कहा जाए तो आपको कंपैशन, केयर और कमिटमेंट की चीज़ है। इन चीज़ों के इर्द गिर्द ही मुझे लगता है आपकी पूरी की पूरी सर्विस रिवॉल्व करेगी। तो आप अभी बच्चे ही हो, आपने जस्ट अभी कंप्लीट किया है, इनको इनकलकेट आपके पर्सनालिटी में होना है, और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से ये तीनों चीज़ें आपके पर्सनालिटी में इनकलकेट टाइम के साथ और हो जाएंगी, और आप प्रोफेशनली बहुत ही अच्छा, अब जिस जगह भी रहोगे आप प्रोफेशनली बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे। मेरी ये आपके लिए ये विशेष भी है, और मेरा पूरा, जहाँ अगर मेरी कोई ज़रूरत है, डिपार्टमेंट की कोई ज़रूरत है, तो हमारा पूरा सपोर्ट भी रहेगा। आप जहाँ भी रहें बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म करें, बहुत अच्छे से इन चीज़ों को निकालें, और आपके अपने इस फंक्शन में तमाम जो हमारे अवॉर्डीज़ हैं, उनकी प्रेजेंस ने इस फंक्शन को एक नई एनर्जी भी दी है। आप जैसा देख रहे हो, इस स्कूल के कई लोग को अवार्ड मिला है और पद्मश्री अवार्ड भी मिला है। तो आपके लिए ये जो हमारे जो आपके डिग्निटरीज हैं, सब सारे अवार्डीज़, वो आपके लिए एक रोल मॉडल होंगे ही, डेफिनेटली होंगे, और वो आपको इंस्पायर करेंगे। मैं उन सारे डिग्निटरीज को जो अवार्डी हैं, उनका विशेष रूप से आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि वो उन्होंने इस फंक्शन में आकर के इनको इंस्पायर करने का और इनको एक नई एनर्जी देने का मौका दिया। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने न सिर्फ इस अंडमान ट्रेनिंग स्कूल की गरिमा बढ़ाई है, बट पूरे अंडमान के लिए भी ये गर्व का विषय है कि हमारे इस स्कूल से इतने ट्रेनिंग के इतने अवार्डीज हुए हैं। हमारा जो जैसा आपने इसमें डिस्कशन में जैसा है कि
थोड़ी सी डिस्टर्बेंस रही है, थोड़ी सी नहीं पूरी डिस्टर्बेंस रही है, लेकिन वो चीज़ को आपने ओवरकम किया है, काफ़ी हद तक ओवरकम किया है। जो एक्स प्रिंसिपल हैं उन्होंने तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से वो एक्सप्लेन भी किया है, और उनकी थोड़ी कोई पर्सनल चीज़ रह गई है जिसका उन्होंने याद दिलाया है, उसका हम पूरा ख्याल रखेंगे मैडम। हमने आपने जो कहा है उसका हम पूरा ख्याल रखेंगे, डॉक्टर सुजा भी अवेयर होंगी और हम उस चीज़ को ज़रूर देखेंगे। इसके अलावा भी अगर कोई चीज़ है तो वी आर अवेलेबल। अगर कोई भी स्कूल को जो हमारे लेवल से हो सकता है या किसी भी जगह पे कोई मैटर टेकअप करना है तो मैं प्रिंसिपल से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि वो मैटर ज़रूर हमारे नोटिस में लाए, क्योंकि आपका स्कूल जो है ये एक रनिंग स्कूल है जिसमें कि हम 20-22 बच्चों को ट्रेन करते हैं। तो अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो हम कर सकते हैं, और डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे नोटिस के लिए है, तो मैं डेफिनेटली उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखूंगी और प्रिंसिपल से रिक्वेस्ट है कि उन चीज़ों को एक बार हमारे इसमें लाएं। इसके साथ ही ये ब्यूटीफुल फंक्शन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, इसको बहुत अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए मैं प्रिंसिपल को वंस अगेन थैंक यू कहती हूँ। डॉक्टर सूजा को उनके गाइडेंस के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
अंत में ट्यूटर जाहिदा बानो ने धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हुए सभी को इस आयोजन की सफलता में योगदान देने के लिए आभार व्यक्त किया।
Heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Ms. Richa, Secretary Health, Chairman, Board of Examination, Andaman and Nicobar Administration. Thank you, ma'am, for taking out time out of your busy schedule to grace this occasion with your presence and inspiring words. Ma'am, your thoughts have truly motivated and enlightened us. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. Next, my sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. Suja Anthony, Director of Health Services, Vice Chairman, Board of Examination. Thank you, ma'am, for your constant support. You have always been a support to us in whatever we used to ask, whatever we used to come and forward and ask you. You never said no to us. You were always inspiring and supporting, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming and gracing this occasion. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. M.K. Shah, Medical Superintendent, and another acting charge of Director NMS, G.B. Pant Hospital. Thank you, sir, with your presence and gracing this occasion out of your busy schedule. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to thank Dr. Avijit Roy. I think he has got a flight today, so he left us, Deputy Director Health. Thank you, sir, for the support. Whenever we went to him, he never said no. You go on, I am your back support. With his inspiration and his support, we came to end this program with such a grateful way. My sincere thanks to all the nodal officers, sir, who all are present here, Health Services and Ayush Hospital, who all, in spite of their busy schedule, came and made this occasion a memorable one. Thank you all for your presence. Next, I would like to thank Ms. Mimi Singh Roy, ex-principal A&M Training School, who has come all the way from Kolkata to attend this program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. For your presence means a lot to us. Your valuable words will always be inspiring to all our students and for their future. I would like to thank all the dignitaries of the A&M Training Schools. My sincere A&M School. Next, my sincere thanks goes to Dr. Shaini Varghese, Principal, School of Nursing, and all the tutors who have come along with their busy schedule because their batches are going on. Still, they took time to come and grace our students. Thank you, ma'am, and all the tutors for coming and making this occasion a memorable one. Next, I would like to thank Johanna Riaz, Maitan, G.B. Pant Hospital, and all the senior nursing officers who have come all the way to motivate our students because they are the persons, they used to teach the students when they come to the ward. We are not the one, they are the 24/7, they are the one who they used to be with the students. Thank you all for coming and gracing our students. My heartfelt thanks to Padma Shri Srimati Shanti Lakra Teresa,
Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. I would like to express my gratitude to all the other awardees who has come all the way to come and grace our students. Next, I would like to thank all the DHS office staff who all made this possible, arrangement to make the function memorable. Thank you all the office staffs of DHS office. I would like to give a special thank to Avinash, the team, Avinash and team, whom the guidance for the welcome song they have sung here. Avinash, thank you so much. Next, I would like to thank Lysindra, the lady who taught the girls with the guidance for the dance. Thank you, Lysindra, for such a support. Now, I would like to thank to all the pass-out students. You were the center of the epics of this program and your parents who have guided you to come all the way along. A special thanks to also our new batches. From last 1 month, we have been working over this, and all the students, they have done the work and very good performance. Thank you all. A very special thank to Raju Light and Sound. Raju Light and Sound has made this arrangement. Thank you, Raju Light and Sounds, for all this wonderful arrangement you have made. It's a very beautiful one. Thank you so much. Last, I would like to thank our A&M family. Our A&M family includes Binsi Kuruvilla. She is the backbone of A&M school. She, with her full dedication from last 1 month, she's been running here and there with all the files, for all the supports we have got from her. And also Miss Sonia Paes and Miss Kalavati Datta, and all the office staffs who were there to work with us. Thank you and all. And the office staff for the month for the preparation. Thank you each and everyone who have been present here to make this occasion a memorable one. Thank you all.
इस दीक्षांत समारोह ने साबित किया कि नर्सें ही हैं हमारे स्वास्थ्य तंत्र की अनसुनी नायिकाएं, जो सेवा, संवेदना और समर्पण से समाज की हर धड़कन को जीवंत रखती है। A&M ट्रेनिंग स्कूल अंडमान निकोबार का एकमात्र ऐसा विद्यालय जहां स्नातक एक नई उम्मीद बनकर निकलता है।